my god.
Come on, Flynn.
It's okay, baby.
Take a few steps. Oh my god.
Do it again. Front flip. Guys, dude? What the? Dude, you're stuck, you're stuck.
Bless you. Are you an elf? Oh my god.
Okay.
Charles, you do not have to stand here.
Ow! I can't even use the bathroom. Get your bad ass.
No, they come in.
It's not that serious.
I don't think you really want to be in here. I'm taking a shower.
Can you do a little bit lower, please? Can you do low? Thank you.
No. No! No!
It's not okay. Oh, that looks familiar.
Are you getting any water or just licking the bowl, Mom?
Oh, that's his head.
Wonder why there's dogs like not wanting to go downstairs.
Oh. Oh. Nah, nah, nah. Oh, okay, guys. Oh my god.
Barely fucking sound like wham wham wham.
Hey. Hey. Mackie. You're gonna fall. You're gonna fall. You're gonna fall. Stop. Stop.
Pretty.
Un gratta vinci da 3.
Oh my god!
Oh my god, pumpkin!
We're gonna have to sell your feet pictures. Oh.
Yeah.
I love you. What is happening?
Oh! Hi! How are you doing this?
You're in my. I can't see shit.
Why not? Oh, Sally, I need to work.
She was so innocent. She just.
What are you doing? Fancy feast.
Midnight, are you cleaning the table?
Hey, Bestie.
That's not how we communicate in this house.
Тебе что от меня надо? Скажи.
Him. My cat is sitting just right. Oh my gosh, you can.
What? Yeah.
Mikey's a bitch. So it's completely the way you make.
Guys, Leonard can talk. Say no.
Are you cleaning the house?
Oh. What's wrong? I can't keep petting you. I need to work.
A fancy feast!
You scratch mine.
Aries, come on.
Mike's cottage cheese. Want somebody?
I got a new hairstylist. He's out working.
What are you doing, bro? What are you doing?
Hey, Chris. Yep, same. Same.
Hey, Captain. You want to give me a hand with work today?
So I've been stuck on the toilet for at least 5 minutes now.
Fancy feast.
Okay, you don't want to kiss me?
Talk to him.
哎呦，哎呀，哎呀！
Look at this.
Oh my! You know what? I don't have drums, but I've got a cat.
Allez, file! Allez, psh!
Possibility.
Whoa. Hey, cat.
Madeline, maybe Bucky. I'm not here to have the conversation.
Oh my god!
Let's see how fast she joins me in bed.
Oh, there she is. At least you're not lying on me this time. I spoke too soon.
Want to watch a movie? Thank you.
All right, everyone, quiet down. Let the professor begin.
What's going on in here? What are you doing? No! Lula. Lily. Willow. Diva. Tonks. Chili. Teddy.
Come on, Teddy, it's your turn.
No, chica.
Hey!
Oh shit.
If you're happy and you know it, say meow. If you're happy and you know it, say meow. If you're
Get your tongue off my door! Get it off my door!
This. In ancient times, white cats were considered a symbol of wealth and good fortune. In England, people believed they brought money, and in Japan, that they protected against evil spirits. So if you...
Thank you.
Whoa.
This? What happened?
Macaroni with the chicken strips.
Look at this little kitten. Hey. Oh!
Stop it!
They're hard to photograph well, so they often go unnoticed.
Oh my god! Oh! Bro.
Michael! Don't leave me here! Michael! Michael!
Don't do that.
¿Quién fue? ¿Quién es este desastre?
No, you cannot get up here.